Hello everyone, Victor here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a quick walkthrough of my workflow I built with anything. The workflow is basically just to collect my logs from my Ubuntu server using rsyslog. Then it also interpret it, then classify, then send it to my Discord. It's a very like easy process. I have like I'm using my HomeLab, so I'll do a quick walkthrough of my HomeLab. This is my HomeLab. Just very basic. I have like a router, a Cisco router, a Cisco switch, and three mini PCs, in which I installed Proximus on them. Then I have EVE-NG, which I used to like practice, and also like a bunch of endpoints, Kali, Ubuntu, um, and Parato S, sorry. And also have like my AP just connect like wirelessly. On the router, just basic configurations done on them. NATs, DHCP, and also login. So I collect the logs from the router, send it to the Ubuntu server, which is installed in one of these mini PCs. Then I use rsyslog, then send it to my workflow on end to end. Automated process, very cool, very easy, and very basic. So that's for the lab. This is my PC, and on it I have my Proximus on it, in which I have the three clusters here. And on this I have my VMs, my Kali and my Ubuntu server. So yeah, and on this first one, this is where I have my EVE-NG, but that's not for today. So this my Ubuntu server running the rsyslog that I'm using on the workflow. So this is like two different. This one by my right is my PC on my PC, while is on the um Proximus server. So this dot 5, this dot 11, 192.168.100.5.11. So I'm collecting the logs from the Cisco router, as I've said before. Then I'm sending it to my workflow using this webhook, the post request. So firstly, I can just test my URL. Then I'll listen for events. I've done this already before, so it should be somewhere here. No, yeah, this it's so I'll use this call command, just to test it. Then successfully executed. Now I know that's my that node is working, the webhook. So from there, it goes to the LLM. I'm using OpenAI. So I'll just start this, and in this I just used like a command, a prompt. I am a security analyst, analyze the network. I mean, initially, yeah, I done something like this before. I used Hugging Face to classify it, but this time it's using AI. I use AI to like it takes the log, it interprets it. But the other time I was using like an LLM, like Hugging Face, which it takes the logs, then check it on the database and classify it. But this is kind of cool because it sends me like automate everything's automated, and it's better. I can like improve it by making it make decisions for me, but not yet. But yeah, just and these the details and the instructions. So summarize it in one sentence, identify it, and like do several things with this, which is very nice. It's a very nice automated process. Then it goes to my Discord. So I'll start this also, and yep. So that's just basically it. But with this kind of workflow, I'm getting every log, which can be very messy. So the idea for me was to create something to like, because logs sometimes can be very like messy. It can be like a lot. It can be overwhelming. so so this helps to like simplify. It helps to like, it shows you what you actually want to see and what you need to see. So I got this from like during my study of for ESCO. Attack continuum is a term I read like before, during, and after an attack. And during the attack is like, is one of the most delicate area, and this where most times we get it wrong, because like logs can be very overwhelming. So with this, it kind of, it assists like a SOC analyst to make proper decisions, and also to like see the clear logs, because sometimes you can like, you can a log can be hidden, can be like lost in multiple logs. So with this we can just make that possible. So right now I go to my Discord, to my Discord channel. Oh yeah, see it's 233, 223, 2 minutes ago I got this. So like, provide your source, your time, your severity level, and so on. So what we're gonna do next is we are going to like publish the workflow. You can just give it a name, team, something like that. Then we publish it. Then from that, every logs that comes in, every logs that come in will go through the webhook. So we can just, we can check the status of our syslog. Yeah, it's up and running, it's active. Then if we go here, we just start receiving logs anytime from now. Yeah, that's it. So everything we do, like details, I click this, we're getting it. Like everything we are doing, it's actually, if right now I go to my router, plug in a device, it's gonna like log it to me. Every traffic that's flowing through my network is just right here, which is very nice. So it's like I can like tweak it in a way that, oh, I don't want to just see random messages. I can like go to my router, and it's like right now I use like login trap warning. I use like login trap critical, and that way I'll get just the like the critical logs, or like I can just also like add a filter here, and from the filter I just tell it that, oh, okay, every logs that has the word critical, or like, or or like a keyword, pass it to the LLM, or else just drop it. So it's a very like nice idea that I just like thought of, like a mini SOC lab, which is very cool. So basically that's it, and you can see like multiple logs coming in, like multiple just in few minutes. That shows how logs can be very messy. So yeah, that's it. It's just basic workflow from my router to my Ubuntu server to my workflow and to my Discord. Easy and clean. I used like a Python script to send, to collect the like from the syslog here, from the rsyslog to the workflow. So I used a Python script for that, and yeah, that's just everything I did, and it's up and running. So my next phase is to like make executions, like to tell the LLM that if a particular IP address is like constantly, because I've done like several attacks, I've done like DHCP starvation, like or like max spoofing, and yeah, it just like let me know about every kind of logs that's coming in. But right now it's like, it's very messy. But yeah, I did it on purpose just to like explain how logs can be, and yeah, why it's good to like filter and classify them. So yeah, thank you very much.